Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel once again, and the name is Dozier Telbert, just like the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you filter jobs and do a specific job search. And if that is the reason why you're here on this video, I want you to stay with me up until the end, okay? So for this particular job search, we are going to use Grok, and this is how we are going to use it. I will give Grok this prompt. I want you to scrape through X in bracket Twitter and help me search for remote customer support roles shared within the last 78 hours. Openings in Nigeria only. That is when I am location specific, okay? So in the last 72 hours, that's 3 days ago, because I want to increase my chance, my visibility and selectability. As you can see, Grok came up with about 10 jobs opening after scraping X for openings in Nigeria that was shared in the last 3 days. That's from 7th to 10th, which is the day of recording this video. That's 72 hours, all right? This job search or this job openings does not have a link. There's no way I would connect with it. That will take me to the next step. So I will give it this second prompt. So the prompt I gave X is, please help me with the links to these tweets on X. I clicked on one of this link. As you can see, it's taking me directly to X. And on X, we can see the date it was posted, which is on the 7th, and you can see the post. So this is how to use Grok to do a job search, irrespective of the job you're looking for. Use it to scrape X and apply to these jobs in case you are searching for new opportunities and new roles. So let me ask, have you been enjoying this video? Why not like, save, subscribe, and share so that when I drop AI tips like this, you will always be the first to know.